Hello and welcome to How to Log In. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can share contacts in Line Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Line Messenger app on your phone. After you open it, you can go to chats and you can select the person who you want to share a contact. So go ahead and click on the chat, and then you can see the plus icon on the bottom left hand corner of your screen. Go ahead and tap on it. And there you can see the contact option. Go ahead and tap on contact. So you can see that you can either give a line friend contact or device contact. So if you want to share any line friends contact, go ahead and click on line friend, select your friend, and then you can share their contact. But if you want to share the device contact, go ahead and tap on device contact, and you can see all of your device contacts. You can select any device contacts you want, and you can select it and click OK. And you can see the contact has been saved. Any people, if you share this with your friends, they can access this and they can save them in their contact book as well. So I hope this video about how you can share the contacts in Line Messenger was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.